Fresnel ambient light rejecting screen. Screen. User manual. 3M tape. Package opener. Paste 3M tape on the 9 marks. There are 14 marks on the screen of 90 inches and above. Paste the tape according to the marks. Paste the screen at the appropriate height on the blank wall. The arrow faces upward. Press and hold for 5 seconds after pasting. Clean the screen surface and remove the label. The projector in the center line of the screen. The height is consistent with the lower end of the screen and maintain 10 degrees elevation. If the projector is mounted, place the screen arrow at the bottom left. The projector's height is consistent with the top of the screen and maintain 10 degrees overlooking the screen display's effect.
These guys.
Hi, Mr. Fredrickson. Please let me in.
No. Pixar will take you on their next great house.
Please let me in.
No.